Hi everyone, this is Sanjay. In this video, I will show you how to get the ABN and it will not take more than 3-4 minutes to get the ABN because TFN it will take 15 days to get the TFN, but in case of ABN we can get just after we applied. So I will show you how to apply for ABN. If you want to know how to apply for TFN, then I have already made the video. You can just go and see it. I will give you the link here as well in the description as well, so that you can just click the link and go to the ABN apply page and just apply for it. So for you can just search ABN apply. Whenever you apply or whenever you apply for the TFN or ABN, you need to go with the government website. So this is the apply for an ABN, abr.gov.au, or you can go through this as well. This is also a government website, or you can go through the Australian Taxation Office as well. This is also a government website. So I'm going through here. So after this Australian business number, just go to Australian business register. Now Australian government Australian business register website will open. It will look like this. Just go to apply or reapply for an ABN. So it is asking for if you are a tax professional, we recommend you access the ABN application tax professional service. So we are not the tax professional. Yeah, you can just apply it by yourself. I agree to provide the correct information. This is well. So just go to next. I will give you this link so that you can just click on the link. And so this is here ABN entitlement, apply for ABN entitlement. So application details, business information, association details, reason for application, declaration. So for tax purpose, which type of entity is the applicant? Which type of entity? So you are opening a company, partnership, trust, or other organization, or individual. It's always a individual sole trader. So individual sole trader, the following question will ask you: will activities be carried out in Australia? Now application details. Individual sole trader, does the applicant currently have an Australian business number ABN or previously had it? No, because if you are applying for the first time, then no. But if you already have the one, then and you are reapplying it, then you have to click the yes button. If you answer yes, okay. Does the applicant wish to apply or reapply for an Australian business ABN? Yes, we have to. We are applying it. So yes. Does the applicant have a tax file number? So if you have a tax file number, then click on yes. Or otherwise, if you don't have the tax file number, you can just click no. So you have to have the tax file number to work in Australia. But if you are doing the business, then you don't need to tax file number. We already have a video of tax file number, how to apply for it. So it just take the 2 minutes. So you can just go and watch it. Does the applicant wish to apply for a tax file number? So if you already have yes, then no. So if you already have, why you want to apply for it again? So just click on no. Now business information. Is the applicant an Australian resident for tax purpose? So what is exactly the tax resident for Australian resident for tax purpose? Guys, if you just arrive in Australia, so it will like you have to reside in Australia for 180 days to become a resident. But if you are if you are in overseas student visa, then whenever you came here, you are the resident of Australia. So you just can click on yes, because most of the students are doing the overseas. So just you can click on yes. If the applicant uses or intends to use the service of a registered agent, what is their registered agent number? So if you are doing it through the registered agent, then just click enter the registration number, business agent number. But you are doing by yourself, so that's why I'm guiding you. So just don't need to add anything. Just go next. Now your information started from here. What is the individual sole trader's name? Title. So you can just write your name here first. Your name. This is the business name type, but you can write your name as. So I'm writing my name here. Family name. I'm doing my hair. Okay, I'm just writing haphazardly the year, the date of birth. So 15. So don't, sorry, 20. I can't write 2020. 2000. Okay. So what is the individual sole trader tax file number. So what is the tax file number? I have to enter the tax file number here. If it doesn't, I know it will not. Yeah, I know it will show the error here because I just type it haphazardly. So just click on next. I think it will not go to the next because the data must enter the format real calendar date. Okay, I will enter in the real calendar date then. Okay. Click on next. Some of the information you may enter was not invalid. See details below. Your identity has not been confirmed. Please check you have entered your details correctly. So guys, here I put the TFN haphazardly, so they are not giving me access to go to the next page. So guys, the most important part is the first, second and third one: ABN entitlement, application details and business information. After this, the third, associate details, means the company details and your details. Reasons for application means there will give the, I think 4-5 options, so you just need to tick on one option for reason for application. And then declaration means just you need to tick the declaration and it will, and then right away you will get the Australian business number. So that's all in this video. I have already made a video for TFN as well. You can just watch it if you are planning to have the TFN. If you like the video, then do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Share with your friend if your friends are looking for the ABN, applying for ABN, or thinking to start the new business. Thank you everyone.